Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming in My Way. In this session we are going to see installation of Android Studio 4.1.2. This is the latest version of Android Studio 4.1.2. So in this session I am going to show you how to set up Android application development environment, that is how to install Android Studio. Okay, now before installing Android Studio you should install Sdk. Okay, and the recommended version of Sdk is 1.8 or higher. So I have already installed Sdk here on my machine, so I'm not going to install that. But if you want to install this Android Studio, make sure that the Sdk is already installed and the recommended version of Sdk is 1.8 or higher. So first install Sdk 1.8 or higher on your computer, and then you need to install Android Studio. Okay, now where to get this Android Studio? So I will show you. Just go to Google, go to Google and just type Android Studio. So you'll get the first link, download Android Studio, the official Android IDE. So wherein you'll get the latest Android Studio for your respective operating system. If you are accessing this website through Windows operating system, then you'll get the Android Studio for Windows operating system. If you are accessing this website through Linux operating system, then you'll get the Android Studio for Linux operating system. If you are accessing this website with the help of Mac operating system, then you will get the Android Studio for Mac operating system. Right now I am using Windows operating system, so the latest version of Android Studio is 4.1.2. so to save the time, I already downloaded this Android Studio on my computer. Okay, so I have stored this Android Studio here in the software folder. See, this Android Studio ID 4.1.2 I have installed before some time. Getting, so it will its size is around 900 MB, so it may take some time to download. So I have installed that, sorry, I have downloaded that before some time. Now we are going to install this. So first step is to, while setting up Android application development environment, first you need to install the Sdk 1.8 or higher. I have already installed that. Getting, so you can see my Sdk is present over here. So I have installed Sdk 1.8. okay, and now installed Android Studio. So go to this and just double click on Android Studio exe. Okay, so it will load the setup. Okay, and this dialog comes, that is, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? So I'm click on yes. Yes, some changes will happen. I think some folders will be created, some files will be generated. On yes. Now this entire installation process will take some time, so you must have patience. Okay, now there is option welcome to Android Studio setup, and now you need to select the next. You need to, if you want to continue, then you need to click on next button. Now here you need to select both Android Studio as well as AVD. So this Android Studio will come up with AVD, that is Android virtual device. So if you don't have physical Android phone, then you can test or you can run your Android applications on this virtual device. So click on, select these two and then click on next. Now see, here it is showing that space required is 2.7 GB. Now to work with Android Studio, the recommended RAM size is 8 GB. Getting, so make sure that your laptop or your desktop machine has 8 GB RAM. Okay, and there should be some enough space, hard disk space, because see, Android Studio is only alone taking 2.7 GB. Okay, so make sure that. Click on next. Now see where the folder will be created. So C program files, Android and Android Studio. You can also change this. I'm keeping the default path. Now next. Okay, and then install. Okay, so Android Studio will be installed now. It is a simple procedure. So you don't get this procedure, installation procedure of Android 4.1.2 version on YouTube anywhere. This is the recent Android Studio version. Okay, so the Android Studio installation is completed. Now click on next and then click on finish. Now see, the first part of this setting up Android application development environment is finished, that is installation of Android Studio. Now there will be installation of Android SDK, latest SDK will start getting. So see, first you need to install the JDK 1.8 or higher, then you need to install Android Studio latest one. So I have taken the latest recent 4.1.2, and now the Android SDK will be installed, that is it may be Android 11 or 10. Latest one is Android 11. Now I'm not importing the previous setting. Okay, do not import the setting because I'm going to install the fresh. Okay, so now Android Studio is loading, and now the process of Android SDK installation will begin. Okay, so see, now it is showing me that, see, these are the type of devices getting on which Android operating system can be installed. See, these are the uh, tablets and smartphones. These are the wearable devices or smartwatches. These are the TVs. These are the smart cars. These are the personal digital assistants. So these are the mobile devices on which Android operating system can be run. So click on next. It is asking us to select the type of Android Studio, that is standard or custom. Right now I'm selecting the standard. Click on next. Now it is asking me to select the UI theme. So Dracula and light. Right now I'm selecting the default, that is light. Click on next. Okay, and now the SDK, Android SDK installation will begin. Now see, this SDK, Android SDK installation will install this one, Android emulator, that is AVD, also Android SDK build 30.03, Android SDK platform, and the Google API Intel x86, okay, image. So this amount of space will be taken from your hard disk. Now click on finish. Now this process may take some time getting. So again, very important thing, while installing the Android Studio and then Android SDK, make sure that your internet connection is on and there should be high speed internet is required. If you are accessing the internet from the mobile phone, then there may be the problem. So there should be high speed internet connection is required while installing the Android Studio and then Android SDK. So make sure that, otherwise there may be failure in installing or downloading the some packages and installing those packages, okay, from the internet. If your internet is slow, then you may face those issues. So make sure that your internet connection, that means you have the high speed internet connection. Okay, so you can see those things are downloading first from internet and then they are installing. So this process may take some long time. That's why in at the beginning only I told you that you must have patience getting during this installation procedure. This Android Studio is the official ID of Google, and this is this ID is free. No need to pay anything to download this Android Studio, and this is very good, or what we can say, the complete ID. Getting everything you will get in this ID. Okay, so you should use this Android Studio for Android application development. Okay, and it is very good choice for Android application development. So again, I am repeating, during this installation procedure, make sure that you have the high speed internet connection. If there is a low speed internet connection, then during this installation procedure, you may face problem of downloading the packages and installation of those packages. So several times you need to restart the procedure from the scratch. So make sure that you are having the high speed internet connection, and don't use the mobile hotspot for this procedure because we are not getting that much speed through mobile hotspot. Okay, so this Android SDK installation procedure may take uh, some time as compared to installation of Android Studio. See, right now this installation is completed, that is Android Sdk build tools 30.03. so that installation is completed, and now it is installing the Google API Intel x86 Atom system image. It is now downloading and it is installing. So it is a step by procedure. It is first downloading that particular file from the internet and it is loading. Okay. This process is taking the long time. Again, this depends upon your internet connection. Okay, it is taking much time. Okay, so very important prerequisite is that while installing this Android Studio and Android SDK subsequently, you must have high-speed internet connection. Okay, so you should arrange that during this installation procedure. Now see, the this tool is installed. Android Sdk build tools getting is finished, and now it is downloading the system image. Okay, and after this it will install next package. Now see, the next tool is installed, that is the system image is installed. After that, the Android SDK platform tools is also completed, and now it is installing the Android emulator. I hope that is the last one to install. Android emulator is downloading. After downloading, it will install the Android emulator. Okay, now Android emulator started and it is installed. Now it is creating the Android virtual device. Now we are at the end of installation procedure. Okay, and now the installation procedure is finished, and now click on finish. Now here is your Android Studio.